Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 Troubleshooting. Expert fixes. For troubleshooting the Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3, check for leaks and ensure the water pressure is adequate. Replace damaged parts if necessary. The Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 is a high-efficiency pressure assist flushing system designed for commercial and residential toilets. Proper maintenance and troubleshooting are essential for its optimal performance. Common issues include leaks, inadequate flushing, or unusual noises. Identifying the problem early can save time and prevent further damage. Regular inspections and timely replacements of worn-out parts ensure the unit functions efficiently. This guide provides clear steps to address common issues, helping users maintain their Flushmate systems effectively. Understanding these troubleshooting tips can lead to a better performing toilet system, enhancing overall user satisfaction. Introduction to Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3. The Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 is a powerful toilet flushing system. It uses pressure-assisted technology for efficient water use. This system is known for its reliability and performance. Understanding its components and common issues can help in troubleshooting. 1. Product overview. 2. Common issues. Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3. Experiencing issues with your Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 can be frustrating. This guide will help you identify the problem quickly. The first step is to conduct a thorough inspection. This includes looking for visible signs and listening for unusual sounds. 1. Visual inspection. 2. Listening for unusual sounds. Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 water supply issues. Experiencing water supply issues with your Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3? It's important to address these problems promptly. Water supply issues can affect the performance of your flush system. Here, we delve into two common water supply problems: low pressure and leaks. 1. Low pressure. 2. Leaks. Has Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 flushing mechanism problems? The Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 is a powerful toilet system. Sometimes you might face issues with its flushing mechanism. These problems can cause inconvenience and require attention. Below, we discuss common flushing issues and their solutions. 1. Weak flush. 2. Continuous running. Has Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 tank and bowl concerns? Dealing with tank and bowl concerns in your Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 can be tricky. This guide will help you identify and fix common issues. 1. Cracks and leaks. Incorrect water levels. Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 seal and valve troubles. The Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 is a reliable flushing system. Sometimes, though, you might face issues with its seals and valves. These problems can cause leakage and improper flushing. 1. Worn seals. 2. Valve malfunctions. Sloan Flushmate M-101-56 DIY fixes. Fixing the Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 can be simple. This guide will help you with DIY fixes that save time and money. You will need basic tools and a step-by-step guide. 1. Basic tools needed. 2. Step-by-step guide. Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 when to call a professional. The Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 is a reliable toilet system, yet sometimes it can have problems. Knowing when to call a professional is key. This ensures your system works well and lasts long. 1. Signs of major problems. 2. Choosing a qualified technician. Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 preventive maintenance tips. Maintaining your Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3 system is crucial for long-term efficiency. Proper preventive maintenance can save you time and money. Follow these tips to keep your system running smoothly. 1. Regular inspections. 2. Proper cleaning techniques. Frequently asked questions about Sloan Flushmate M-101-526-F3. What causes Sloan Flushmate not to flush? A clogged or faulty cartridge can cause flushing issues. Check for blockages or replace the cartridge. How to fix a leaking Flushmate. Identify the source of the leak. Tighten connections or replace worn-out.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.